Next question is given. দ্বিতীয় প্ৰশ্ন দিছে log 2925 equal to 3.46612. Then find the values of log 29.25. That means 29.25. এটা ভ্যালুটো উলিয়াব লাগে. So in this case you can write log this one. So what you will do? First thing. ইয়াত কি সংখ্যা পূৰণ বা হৰণ কৰিলে আমি 29.25 টো পাম এটো পাম. So in what number we have to multiply or divide to get 29.25, that you have to remember. So that is the most important point. Okay, so that we can say this one, if the number is small then we have to divide, if number is big then we have to multiply. That is the condition. যদি ডাঙৰ সংখ্যা সৰু কৰিবলৈ আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, এটো হৰণ কৰিব লাগিব, আৰু সৰু সংখ্যা ডাঙৰ কৰিবলৈ আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, পূৰণ কৰিব লাগিব. if the big number we have to do smaller, then we have to divide this one. Okay, so now what we will do this one, you see 2925 divided by 100, that will be divided by 100, then we will get what, 29.25, that means 29.25. that is the most important one. So in this case, say solution, here given say log 29.25, that is given, we have to find out the value from there. So this equal to given what, see, so this you write this log 2925. Okay, 2925. So as I told you before, to minimize this one we have to divide this one. That means ডাঙৰ সংখ্যা এটা সৰু কৰিবলৈ আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, সদায় তাক ডিভাইড অৰ্থাৎ হৰণ কৰিব লাগে. that equal to what, log 2925 by 100. Okay, so this you can write this one like this, log, that will be what then, 2925 minus log, that will be what, 100. so this one formula is there. So what is that formula? So one formula that is there, formula as you have got in class 9, that is what, class 9 ত ইতিমধ্যে তোমালোকে এটো পাই আহিছে. So log, suppose m by n, that is what, power, that is base. So this you can write like this, you see, log m and base will be suppose a, let that is a, and that will be what then, log n, that is a. These base are always similar. Okay, now if it is divide, then we have to write minus. যদি এটো হৰণ হৈ থাকে তেতিয়াহলে আমি কি কৰিব লাগে, হঠাৎ মাইনাস to দি দিব লাগে. Okay, then we have to write this one in this form. So that is your formula, you apply this one there. Then next will be what then, log this one, that is given what, 3 point, in your question is 3.46612. so log 2925, this equal to this one, that is given in your question. So 3 point what, 46612. then here log 10, so log 10, not 10, 100. so this you can write like this also, log 10 square. Yes, you can write like this. So 10 square means what, 100. so this you can write 3.46612 minus 2 log 10. so this I think you understood this one, that we can write like this, if log 10 this equal to 1. Okay, so that formula also you have got. That means what, that means log 10, that means what, অর্থাৎ you can write log 10, yes, that will be what, 10. so this equal to what, 10 by 10, you can write this one, log n by n, or if a is there, a by a, that you can write this formula also, you have got this one. so this equal to what, always 1. Okay, this equal to 1. so that is your formula. so now what you will get, so you see this equal to 3.46612 minus 2. if it is 1, then that will be 2. Okay, that is 2 is coming here, so you write down 2 there. ইয়াত দশমিকৰ আগত কি কৰিব লাগিব, কি আছে আমি হেতু চাম. so this equal to what then, you see 1.46612. so what you are do, So how you are getting this one? Etu tumalke kenekoi pala? Yat দশমিকৰ আগত কি আছে +3 আৰু ইয়াত কি আছে ইয়াত কিমান আছে -2 so +3 -2 this is equal to +1 so this is coming from here and this is remain constant okay এই নাম্বার গিটা সদায় একে থাকে so here you have to check this one in front of point what is there 3 that is +3 so you write down this one no need to check this one this is like tail part etu tail part on isna kono kam nai and from there that is what -2 so that will be +2 then after then you just write down this one okay so this is most important দশমিকৰ পাছৰ সংখ্যাবোৰ কোনো সুবই নালাগে তোমালকে don't touch these numbers okay দশমিকৰ পিছৰ যি সংখ্যা এবিলাক কেতিয়াও নছবা don't touch this number after this point okay don't touch this one just keep it there okay then your answer will be this one okay so hope you can able to do this one and this question you can do very easily also you see suppose or so that is I explain so if you want to write shortly you can able to write shorter than this one also সহজকৈ তোমালকে লিখিব পাৰা solution or solution I have explained this one মই তো ব্যাখ্যা কৰি দিলো গতিকে তোমালকে বুজিছা এতে শর্ট কে কেনেকে কইম given you write given log 2925 this is equal to what 3 point that one 3.46612 that is given already therefore log 29 that is what 29 wait 29 what that is 29.25 we have to find out this one 29.25 yes find the value of this one a 29.25 or মান তো আমি নির্ণয় কৰিব লাগে গতিকে আমি এটুকি লিখি লব লাগে so this equal to what log 2925 into 10 to the power -2 yes so as I told you এটো হৰণ হলে কি হয় পূৰণ হলে কি হয় আৰু ডাঙৰ সংখ্যাক সৰু সংখ্যা থাকিব কৰিবলৈ আমি কি কৰিব লাগে সৰু সংখ্যাক ডাঙৰ সংখ্যালে ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰিবলৈ আমি কি কৰিব লাগে হেতু সদায় পূৰণ কৰিব লাগে আৰু ইটো সদায় আমি কি কৰিব লাগে হৰণ কৰিব লাগে হেতু you have to multiply that one in condition number in case of doing bigger one in case of lower one or lowest from you have to divide that number so that is most important one then you are writing this one now what you will write this one this is equal to what you are write say log is log no only write this one nothing is there then this will be what 2925 yes plus yes log that is log 10 to the power 2 that will be what then exponent or power okay then this will be what then so this is given log 2925 so log 2925 equal to what as per question 3.46612 that is given so you just put the value from there 3.46612 then that will come here 2 -2 so as formula I have told you formula to ইতিমধ্যে মই তোমালোকক কলো already you learned this one so then is what so that is what in front of point what is there 3 then that is +3 as I explained before প্ৰথমতে মই explain কৰিলো এটোৱে এতিয়া তুমি লিখি দিয়া 1 point that is tail part no need to touch here ইয়াত কেতিয়াও তোমালকে নুসুবাই পইণ্টৰ পিছত যিগিলা সংখ্যা থাকে ইয়াত নুসুবাই এটো জাস্ট লগাই দিবা 46612 don't touch there only write this one my and then that is your answer yes answer so now we have got the value of log 29.25 this is equal to what then 29.25 this is equal to 1.46612 hope you are understanding this one now you understood this one আশা কৰিছো তোমালোকে এখিনি বুজি পাইছা আৰু বাকিটো তোমালোকে নিজে উলিয়াবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিবা যদি নোৱাৰা তেতিয়া হলে মই তোমালোকক কৈ দিম you try to find out remaining part yourself if you cannot do then I am going to solve this one again